So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put an attachment onto the front of our Ventrac 4520Y. So the first thing we're going to want to do is start the machine up. We're going to remove the handbrake. We're going to lean right over to the left-hand side of the machine to get a good view of our front lift arm. And then as we drive in, we're going to line the lift arm up with the inside of the lift arm on the attachment. In slightly, we're going to lift so they're level. Engage our hooks. Might just need to give it a little bit of a wiggle on the steering wheel just to make sure it locates. We're going to stop the machine. Then we're going to get off, walk around. We're going to pop on our attachment belt, which is our PTO. Push the lever back in, attach our quick couplers. And that's it, we're good to go.